Find or read reviews that people are talking about Kazigak Portable Washing Machine. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Twin Tub Washer. This washer machine has a 15.5 capacity and features a wash/spin switch for your choice, and you can operate the washer or spinner separately. The two tub washers can meet your different needs. Let your laundry be more convenient. Time control. The separate timers control for wash and spin time. The wash timer runs for up to 15 minutes and the spin timer runs for up to 5 minutes each load, and it comes with normal and gentle wash methods to meet your wash needs. Easy to operate. The washer control panel allows you to control the wash time, wash mode, and spin dry time. You simply load your clothes in the washer, fill with water, set the timer, and the washer will start washing clothes. Reliable quality. This semi-automatic washer is constructed with high-quality plastic body, an upgraded motor, and a stainless steel spin tub. This semi-automatic washer won't rust easily and has a long service life. Compact design. With a total weight of about 37.5 pounds, the portable washer can be easily moved and transported. The size of 28.2 x 17.2 x 39-inch size is suitable for limited space. The lightweight and compact design is ideal for a place in an apartment, dorm, RV, or any other place. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.